Well, here's part of the right side of the handle is done. Well, not complete, but it was down to the where I needed it to be. Compared to this side, it's real dense wood, real dense oak. Look at the grain on that thing. It's like lava or something, man. Look at that, beautiful. That's a good tree right there. But look how dense this wood is. Perfect. It should be really weatherproof. Seems I got the epoxy very good on the edges. Looks like this thing's just glued on there. Well, it is glued on there, but molded on there. I gotta dig out when I finish. I gotta, dig the epoxy out of there. Get this cleaned off. But once I get this down to where I need it to be, I have all that cleaned off also. Good grain. When I get the other side of it, you'll be able to see through the other side. So I'll clean that out. Not bad.
What do you think about that? That's going to be how big it is.
That was good.
All right, here goes. Camera's putting it in there.
Yeah, it's going real good.
What is that, an oak handle?
I want to say it's oak, but it's pretty dense. I don't know if it's oak or something else. That's from pallet wood, so it's real dense.
Yeah. That's badass.
Well, Mr. Big Gun Sullivan, here's your finished product. From lawnmower blade to cleaver. Looks pretty decent for homemade kind of thing, I guess. I could have did a little better on it. I got to clean out these holes before I send it off to my sister-in-law so she can ship it off to you guys, but I clean out the bullet holes right there. Probably a little wax in there. I still gotta put a coat of, I might do urethane on the handle, or wax it. All these little marks are not dirt or nothing, they're just areas that just got a little hardened for me on the blade itself. And they're just little tiny little pock marks. And I didn't do a full buff on this thing. I just did a satin kind of sand down, oiled it down a few times. These are just hammer marks. Let me see the other side. These are, like I said, these are just hammer marks from my hammer. I need to test this today, see if it'll open a beer bottle. Hopefully it will, or Coke bottle. I'm not really a drinker. Same thing on this side. This is actually the serial number for the lawnmower blade, so I tried my best to get it out, but I couldn't get it out. I would have had to get way past my bevel, and it probably would have messed up my bevel. These little waves in here, they're due probably from, I'm not really sure why they're in there. I've seen them before, so maybe it's from the hardening process, because most of it I just hardened it down to that line anyway. Up here is pretty decent in softness, because I wouldn't have been able to do my file work on the top for you. The blade itself, we'll be real careful pulling it out. It's pretty sharp. You'll feel it. If you know what sharpness is, you'll feel it. It's got a decent straight. It's not two. It has a minor, a very minor little off center in the middle of it, but it's not too bad. But it's going to do. I mean, I don't know what you're going to do with it, but it might be a piece for you just to keep around, or you might actually use it. But I guess I have to warn you on carbon steel, it will rust. It's not stainless steel, so when you use it, you're going to have to either oil it or something. If you're going to use it on food, use stuff that's not going to taint your food, of course. But if you're not, just use regular old gun oil or 3-in-1. I'm going to try to make a case for it out of Kydex and see how that goes. If I can, I just tape it up and wrap it up in some something protective and send it to you. So hope you like it. Took a while to make, and hope it's a nice item for you to keep in your possession. So y'all take care out there and be safe.